Hey loves, welcome back to Making, where every braid tells a story and every crown gets its moment. So today I'm doing a clean, simple cornrows on natural hair. No extensions needed. Let's lay this crown the natural way. So this is 4C hair, as you can see. Not 4C, sorry, this is 4A. 4A is a little bit harder, not soft, not very smooth, not coily. As you can see, I've maintained her natural hairline. Her hairline is still intact. There's no breakage. I always make sure that I prep the hair before I start plaiting the hair, making sure the hair is so healthy. So the hair is so stretched. It's stretched with a blow dry with a heat naturally. I've already moisturized it. I moisturized it when I was washing it. Using a lightweight leave-in. I used a leave-in when I was washing her hair and sealed it with a little bit of oil. But most of the time I don't use oil. Like this time I did not use the oil. I just made sure that her hair is clean, her scalp is so clean so that she can avoid itchiness. Okay, detangling is the key, my friend. If you don't detangle the hair, you'll not get a clean version of your beauty, It helps make the braiding smoother and gives a cleaner finish. So she has an instruction. The client came up with an instruction and told me that she needed 12 cornrows. So I decided to partition it into two halves. So one half and the other one half. So one half will enter 6 pieces and the other side will enter 6 pieces. So that one will be a total of 12 pieces. So learn to follow instruction of your client. It's very important when you're doing these hairs so that you can get satisfied and come back again. So when you are doing this, I'm going to take that hold of that hair on the other side so that I can be able to know how to maximize, how to use my partitioning very well so that I can avoid having less or more of as instructed. And I'm going to use Siri gel, braiding gel. She loves Siri braiding gel because it doesn't interfere with her scalp. Most people come with different products which go along with your hair scalp. So for me, my client decided to use Siri. When she uses Siri, she doesn't have a itchy scalp. So why do I apply Siri braiding gel? Because I want it to cut a smoother line, smoother partitioning. Do you know most of in the tradition of back then in the years, we never used braiding gels. We just went natural and it all came out very well. But time is changing, right? So we are using a lot of products. A lot of products are coming along just to have a firm and standard hairdos so that they can come out clean. They used to come out clean, but now mambo ni mengi. A lot of things are happening in this world. So here we are. I'm partitioning, making sure the frontal part is a lot than the behind part. The frontal part, as you can see, is thick, while the back part of the nape of the neck is very thin. So now on to parting. This is where neatness starts. I'm using my braiding comb and applying a little edge control to get those lines sharp. Don't rush this part. Trust me, don't rush it because you'll not get what you want. I have partitioned, as you can see, I've taken a pinch of part of it there in front of the hairline, made like 3 knots with it, then started adding. I am pinching little by little. Please don't pinch a lot. Just kidogo. Don't pinch a lot, just pinch a little, like pinching the salt. You see, they will always pinch a little bit of salt and then we smith to the food. Pinch little as you are going, adding, slanting your fingers down the scalp. Don't lift your fingers if the other finger is not holding up. Understood? It shows a final look. Take your time. Take your time when you're adding the hair. Please take your time, my friend. Take your time. You know why I say like, why do I always say that you should take your time? Because when you're in a hurry and you're not used to braiding cornrows, you'll have not a smooth part of it. You'll not have a smooth part of it. You'll not have a smooth part of it. It will look like, it will look very crooked. It will not have a smooth line. Okay, so let's get into the braids. I'm doing straight back cornrows, nice and simple. Notice how I hold the hair firm, grip, but not tight. We are not pulling, we are not protecting, we are protecting, sorry. Natural hair braids like these are great for low maintenance styling. You all know that. It has a low maintenance styling. It doesn't have a lot of maintenance. Just wake up, wear your wig, poof, you go. Wake up, apply your hair food, dash, you go. Wake up, wash it. You can also wash it when you have it. Then you go. You rush anywhere you want. You can put a ponytail at the behind if you want. If you don't want, you can leave it like that. You can wear a wig cape and go. You can wear a beautiful bonnet and you go. You just, as you can see, very smooth, love. Very smooth curve. Very smooth curve. I always check how I go. I always check as I go how it looks. As you can see, there's spacing, tension, like symmetry. You don't want to finish and realize one side is tighter than the other, so you go checking. Look how smooth this is turning out. Have you seen how smooth it is? I always apply my edges with a little bit of it so that it can come smoothly. A clean parts, juicy braids, just how we like it, just the way you like it. Make sure that your client is so satisfied with what she has. Don't make it so complicated. As you can see, very smooth, you see, very smooth curves, very smooth curves. The lines are so symmetry, right? Look at it, wow, bravo Joanne, bravo. So let's learn together. It's not hard. I love this thing because it's not hard. So here we go. Let's continue now that we have remained with 2. As you can see, I have remained with 2. I have managed to do 6 on the other side. Now this side I'm going to do the last one. Just look at it. I am lining the edges and applying a little bit of my gel, my Siri braiding gel. Here we go. She's looking at me. Applying a little bit of it, just like that. Good girl. Then I pinch on the hairline as I had showed you before. Look at it, 3 knots. As you can see, 3 knots on it. Sorry, just a little bit with my cameraman. Then I pinch it on the scalp. You see, I'm pinching it on the scalp, collecting them all together in the middle of my fingers so that I can be able to control the hair, how I pinch it. And then when I pinch, I'm making sure my left hand, it depends also with the hand that you're using. For me, I'm right-handed, but I use the left to do a lot of work. So the left one is pinching and the same time partitioning. So what am I using with the right hand? The right hand, I'm using it to pick what the left hand has pinched. Then I knot it down. I lock it. As you can see, I'm making a knot using the left side. As you can see, it's cleaning. The right hand is making it clean. It's cleaning the work of the left hand fingers. You see, I'm using the 2 fingers. The thumb is dividing this side. The pointing finger is dividing the other side. I am pinching but not over pressing so that it can become firm. I'm making a tighter knot but not too tight. You got me? Yes. Then make sure that it has gone downwards. Don't, after you've reached the down part, the back part, make sure that it's so smooth. Okay, so, and we are done with the last braid. I'm laying the edges softly and I applied a little bit of oil for shine and scalp care. Later on, check it out, full round, how it comes. It's giving neat, natural and nourish, just the way we love it, right? You love it clean, you love it demure, you love it natural. How can you, let me just ask you a question. How will the wig fall down and feel so patronized, belittled or ashamed? Even when it falls, you'll just feel comfortable because it is the crown of a woman, right? If you're loving this style, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. tell me, what would you like to rock with this look? What will you wear? What would you like to have? Or should I try something new next? You can comment. This is Making, where every braid tells a story and every crown gets its moment. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you till the next lay. Bye bye.